Welcome to my channel. If you guys are new, appreciate if you hit that like and subscribe button. But we're going to look at inverse finance today. Craig commented that he wanted me to look at this, so we're going to look at this. Obviously, you just had a major pump this week. You went all the way up, I guess, over the last few weeks. You went all the way up from $32 all the way up to almost $100 recently. Now you're almost forming a falling wedge, but you could not stay above that 200-day moving average on the daily chart. So short term, that is not very bullish to me. Now, what I do like to see on the daily chart, though, so that's not bullish that you're below that 200-day moving average again. But what is really good to me and a good sign for the bulls is the fact that you are completely oversold on the RSI on the daily time frame, which as of right now is a higher low. Even if you don't, as long as you hold this level at $50, I think we're still bullish. But I do think if we go all the way down to $50, that would not be, then that would negate the falling wedge that we have right now on the daily time frame. So $50 is good support. Below that, if you break that, obviously you have a major local low at that $35 level. And to the upside, you have major resistance at $80. I think personally, just looking at the chart, if you move above $80, your next major stop's about $140. That would be 100+% move to the upside. Actually, no, it'd be about 80% move to the upside. And then above that, my next resistance is 207. So let's go to the smaller time frames. The smaller time frames, the 4-hour chart is already curving to the upside. The 4-hour chart right now has made a lower low. The previous high was 60, previous low was 63. Now obviously made a low around 61. So it's not much of a lower low, but is a lower low on the 4-hour chart. But to me, still bullish. I still think the larger time frames, like the daily chart, is looking good. And overall, I still think the 4-hour chart, yes, it made a lower low, but it is still looking pretty good to me on the 4-hour chart. You just probably need to consolidate after that major move to the upside. The 1-hour chart, obviously, like I said, the 1-hour chart doesn't look as good because it's definitely making lower lows and lower highs. Going to the 15-minute chart, trying to get back above the 200-day moving average on the 15-minute chart, so that is a good sign. Trying to make its first higher high, probably in the last day or two. So to me, the 15-minute chart's looking okay. 1-hour chart, not so much, but again, it's probably just consolidating in a falling wedge right now. And the 4-hour chart, if we go to the 4-hour chart, it is above the 200-day moving average. So actually, 4-hour chart overall, yes, it made a lower low, but it could be consolidating into that falling wedge on the daily chart. Overall, I like what I'm seeing on this. So let me chart this a little bit versus just telling you, yes, I think it's in a falling wedge. Let me actually show you what I'm looking at right now. So overall, this is kind of what you're getting at. The measure move for this, if you don't use the wicks, this would be your measure move around around $108. If you do want to use the wicks, then the measure move would be a lot crazier. So if you don't use the wicks, the measure move is about 107. If you do want to use the wicks, you're looking at measure move at $124. So that's kind of what we're looking at. But the conservative target would be 105 to 110. The more aggressive target, I would say, would be 120 to 125. That's what I'm looking at. I'll leave this here. I'll see if this happens. And I'm going to set an alert at $80. If it breaks that, that would mean a breakout probably at least to 125, and then of course your next resistance, I wouldn't be surprised if you got a wick up to 140. So I mean, I put an alert at $80. If it breaks out, I would be bullish. If you guys enjoyed this video, I appreciate if you hit the like and subscribe button, comment if you guys would like me to look at other coins, and I will see you guys in the next live stream, which is tomorrow at 8 p.m. Central Time. I will see you tomorrow for the live stream.